Hello friends, welcome to the platform of Darshanik IAS. This is Akshay Kadam. So guys, today on this platform of Darshanik IAS, we are going to discuss one important concept from Gandhian ethics. So in Gandhian ethics, which is a branch under normative ethics, deontological ethics. So in your ethics paper, we have branches of ethical reasoning where you have descriptive ethics, normative ethics, meta ethics. Under normative ethics, you have virtue ethics, consequentialist ethics, deontological ethics and rights ethics. So under deontological ethics, you have three important thinkers: Kantian ethics, Gandhian ethics and Bhagavad Gita ethics. These three important thoughts are there. So in Gandhian ethics, there are a lot of nice concepts and very important concepts for you from your standpoint of ethics paper. So in this recording, we are going to discuss the concept from Gandhian ethics, that is concept of 7 social sins, roots to violence or dangers to human virtues. Now, there are 7 social sins. I have already recorded lectures on business without ethics, science without humanity, knowledge without character, politics without principles. So, all these 4 we have already discussed, and in this lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of pleasure without conscience is sin. Okay. So, do check out my all those concepts or lectures first, and also check out others that I will upload soon. And I will complete this series of 7 social sins. Okay. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss, I said knowledge without character is sin. We are going to discuss the wealth without work is a sin. Now, in this wealth without work, this idea, what Gandhi was saying is related with the another Gandhian concept from his philosophy, that is Pancha Mahavratas. So in Jainism, you have concept of Kaivalya Gyan. You acquire Kaivalya Gyan through Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan and Samyak Charitra, which comes under Ratnatraya. And in Samyak Charitra, okay, Mahavira gave the idea of Mahavratas, that is Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya, Ahimsa. But when Mahavira, Buddha talked about those ideas, they talked from individual perspective. Gandhi, okay, when he talked about Ahimsa, Satya or Satyagraha, or other Asteya Aparigraha idea, he spoke from the perspective of a society, perspective of the humanity. And there, okay, then he talked about commerce without morality is sin, or this wealth without work as a sin, okay, which also linked with the one of the Mahavrata, that is Asteya and Aparigraha. So what I mean by when Gandhi talked about those ideas, Gandhi talked about those ideas from a social perspective. So you have concept of Aparigraha, possession, non-possession, and Parigraha, possession. So in Aparigraha, Gandhi said that if you hold on to things, you are committing a social sin. When you don't need so many clothes, you keep on buying so many clothes. If you need only 1 2-wheeler and 1 4-wheeler, but you buy 4-5 2-wheelers and 4-5 4-wheelers, then by doing this Parigraha, possession, so when you are doing this Parigraha, okay, you are making those things unaffordable for other people. Someone who could get a 2-wheeler, if it is cheaper, couldn't afford the 2-wheeler or a 4-wheeler, okay, and because of that, okay, you are committing a social sin. So Parigraha, how Gandhi linked this Jainism's ideas to a social context and in social construct. And just to give you one example of that Parigraha incident, when Ratan Tata one day when he was traveling on Mumbai's roads, okay, there was heavy rainfall going on, and he saw one family, husband, wife with 2 kids going on a bike. He just thought that what if they had accident? And right in front of me, after a few, right in front of him, after a few minutes, there was accident of that family. Their bike slipped, and so to make these cars, 4-wheelers, affordable and safe for the people, he launched the nano car. So what I mean by this Aparigraha concept that Gandhi was advocating, that when you are holding on to something, you are causing the social sin. You are making things unaffordable for someone. Someone who could afford a 4-wheeler, if it is cheaper, had to travel on a 2-wheeler and experiences accident because, okay, those rich people keep on buying more and more 4-wheeler just for a luxury purpose, not for the necessity, okay, then that is sin. So all these Gandhi's ideas are very interlinked, okay, and that's why Gandhi said earth produces enough for everyone's need, not for everyone's greed. So same way, Gandhi also talked about concept of Asteya, where he talked that anything that is not rightfully yours, you shouldn't hold on to. So किसी का wallet भी जमीन पे गिरा है, then you should not touch that wallet, because that wallet belongs to someone else that is not rightfully yours. Then don't even touch that. So same way Gandhi said that if you go to your office and waste the time, don't work productively, efficiently, fully, and you are taking salary from the management or owner, then it is also samay ki chori. Okay, asteya, samay ki chori. So steya, stealing, and asteya, non-stealing. Gandhi was talking about that from social perspective, and so automatically, okay, his idea get extended where he talk about that wealth without work is sin, that you accumulate wealth without commensurate hard work, okay, to earn that, then all such a wealth that you are getting, okay, is sinful. Okay, so today we see the practice of getting something for nothing, manipulating markets, okay, and assets, so you don't have to work or produce added value, or just manipulate people and things to cheat them and make money. Today we see this very rampant trend in the society where people just want wealth without work. Now when Gandhi talked about this idea, what he was simply saying that today we see this largely this practice of getting something for nothing, okay, manipulating assets, manipulating markets and making the money. Okay, doing insider trading in share market and making the money, or all the chit fund scams where you fool the illiterate, uneducated, poor people to make the money, or this pyramidal organization, network marketing, all this concept where there is no real value addition that happens in the process. Nothing get produced, no hard work is there, just 4 logon ko jodo and you create a wealth. All these things Gandhi said, okay, are sinful. Wealth without work, they are the examples of. Okay, so network marketing or pyramidal organizations, okay, or Nirav Modi's Swift scam where he cheated or duped, okay, public sector bank and public's money on such a large scale. All such recent examples are example of making money without hard work. Also, all this cricket platforms related to betting, gambling. Okay, government has levied now GST of 28% on all such platforms, Rummy, Seleke. All these are, whether they involve some skill or not, okay, there will be now 28% GST on those. Okay, all these games are legal in India. So I already told you, there is a concept of legality and morality. Many things are legal, may not be moral. So whatever, so on that I will record separate lecture. But all these games where you make a wealth, okay, all these apps where you make a wealth without any commensurate hard work, okay, then all this wealth without work, what Gandhi was saying, is a sin. Or this all get rich quick schemes are all example of wealth without work. And so when you earn wealth in such a manner, you get habituated to earn such a wealth. And now it is a slippery path. Now you earned wealth, okay, by fooling few people, and you start enjoying that. Then you will start doing more and more and more such unethical things or illegal, illegitimate means to acquire wealth, and it becomes slippery path, and you end up doing also big scams also. So Gandhi was clearly believer of the idea that you should not hold any wealth without hard work, without any efforts for that. And that's why in Gandhian economics, Gandhi also talked about that you do not entitle or you do not have rights over your parents' property, parents' wealth. And that's why Gandhi gave the concept of 10% intergenerational wealth inheritance. So as a father or a parents, okay, only 10% of wealth that you will get legally from your family or your parents in inheritance, remaining 90% wealth, okay, your parents can enjoy as much as they want, but after their death, 90% of wealth will be end up into government's treasury, which will be used for the welfare of the people, because your father might have worked hard and earned this wealth for himself, okay, but you, without doing any work, okay, is not supposed to have any entitlement over that wealth. And that's why wealth without work is sin, what Gandhi's basic idea get extended into economics also. And so Gandhi's basic concept was, for Gandhi, rewards were to be earned as a result of efforts made and not otherwise. And all his life he preached about the need for hard work and commitment. And any such a wealth without any hard work, earned without any commitment, efforts, is sinful. So that's quite easy concept of Gandhian ethics under 7 social sins. Okay, do check out my other recordings also and stay tuned to my Darshanik IAS YouTube channel for more lectures. And also to download notes, join me on UPSC Ethics 4 Telegram channel, and also download my app from Google Play App Store, where you will get more information about this essay and ethics courses that I will be launching there soon. So stay tuned there. Thanks for listening, guys.